Do you remember that piggy bank you had as a kid? The one you diligently fed coins into, watching it slowly fill up, dreaming of that one big purchase? Maybe it was a new toy, a video game console, or even something as simple as a mountain of candy. That feeling of watching your savings grow, even in tiny increments, was incredibly powerful. But what if that piggy bank could do more than just hold your coins? What if it could actually make them grow, almost magically, all on its own? Imagine teaching your kids not just about saving, but about the incredible power of investing, and doing it in a way that's as simple as rounding up their everyday purchases. That's precisely where Raiz Kids comes in. It's not just another savings account, it's a bridge to financial literacy and a head start on building wealth for the next generation. We all want to set our children up for success, and in today's world, understanding money and how it can work for you is more crucial than ever. Raiz Kids takes the often complex world of investing and simplifies it, making it accessible even for the youngest aspiring investors, all while giving parents the control and oversight they need. So, how exactly do Raiz Kids accounts work? It all starts with you, the parent or guardian, who needs an active Raiz account yourself. Think of Raiz Kids as a sub-account, sitting within your main Raiz investment profile. This means you're always in the driver's seat, able to monitor and manage your child's investments with ease. Setting one up is incredibly straightforward. Within the Raiz app, you simply navigate to the Invest section and look for the Add a Raiz Kid Now option. You'll input their personal details, like their name and date of birth. Here's where it gets interesting. You have the flexibility to determine how much control your child has over their account. You can opt for full parental control, where you manage all the decisions, or you can grant your child controlled access, allowing them to explore, learn, and even make some decisions with your permission. This hands-on experience is invaluable for teaching them about financial markets and the concepts of saving and investing. Once the account is set up, how does the money get in? Raiz offers several convenient ways to contribute to your child's account. The most popular and perhaps most engaging feature is the roundups. Just like with a standard Raiz account, you can link your spending accounts, and Raiz will automatically round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change, whether it's 50 cents from your morning coffee or 20 cents from a snack, gets collected and, once it reaches a minimum threshold, typically $5, it's automatically invested into your child's chosen portfolio. It's micro-investing at its finest, demonstrating how small, consistent contributions can truly add up over time. Beyond roundups, you can also set up recurring investments, daily, weekly, or monthly, to consistently contribute a fixed amount. Or, if you have a lump sum you want to invest for them, you can do that too. All these contributions are debited from the funding account linked to your primary Raiz Invest account, ensuring transparency and ease of management. Speaking of portfolios, Raiz Kids accounts leverage the same diversified investment portfolios available to adult Raiz users. These portfolios are constructed by financial experts, designed to suit various risk levels, from conservative to aggressive, and even socially responsible options like the Emerald portfolio. You choose the portfolio that aligns with your family's financial goals and risk tolerance for your child's investments. This means their money isn't just sitting there, it's actively working, invested in a diversified mix of assets like exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track various companies and industries. As their money grows, they can see the impact of market fluctuations, understand dividends, and witness the power of compounding. A significant benefit of Raiz Kids is the educational aspect. By allowing children, with parental guidance, to engage with their investment portfolio, they gain practical experience in financial management. They can see their balance grow, learn about market performance, and develop healthy money habits that will serve them well into adulthood. And when they turn 18, the account can be seamlessly transferred into their name, empowering them with a solid financial foundation and a sense of ownership over their future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.